Okay, so in that video, we will calculate the determinant of the following matrix. So this determinant that A can be written 1, 2, 3, 4 with 2 bars there. And to calculate it, you just need to remember as a general formula. So the general formula is for, let's say, A, B, C, D, is very simple. It's to say that it's A times D minus C times B. If I write that down, A times D minus C times B. Let's go back here. So here, it's going to be 1 times 4 minus 3 times 2. 1 times 4 minus 3 times 2. And that's equal to 4 minus 6 equal minus 2. And you're done.